All right, being laser focused on solving one problem. This is kind of coming full circle to where we started, which was start with the reason why. All right, well now you need to be laser focused on solving one problem. So the problem we're solving is giving people their time back. Young families with, 2 working parents and young kids don't have enough time to hang out and, grow the family unit and do stuff on the weekend and learn how to do kiteboarding together or whatever. The way that we're solving that problem is by just being the most efficient cleaning company possible and letting those people have their time back.
Yeah, you guys have heard us talk about it. The riches are in the niches, but also another way to think of it is like a laser can cut through diamond because it's super concentrated, but a flashlight is what most people do, and it's just this broad spectrum of light you put out. That's not going to cut through anything, but if you're laser focused, if you focus your energy and your effort in solving one problem and doing it really, really well, becoming the best at it, that's what you're going to become known for, versus how many companies that we see out there that were like cleaning companies, but they also do landscaping, but they also wash your windows and your carpets.
Well, even just cleaning, like let's do cleaning. We clean houses. We'll clean your business. We'll clean your carpets. We'll pressure wash your driveway. We'll clean your windows. We'll clean your chimney. Like there's so many things that need to be cleaned. We don't do that. We clean your house. That's it. We want to be really, really good at taking care of the place that you live with your family. That's what we clean.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't scattershot everything. We've always made this joke about the guy who drives around the neighborhood and throws this Ziploc bag with a rock in it and it has a flyer in it, and that guy does everything. On one side he does roofing, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, chimney sweep. On the other side his wife does house cleaning, office cleaning, dental office cleaning, like whatever. But nope, just focus in. And I think we've been really successful because of that, and we were tempted to. We've always talked about adding on these upsells that we could give to the customers, but we've never really taken it beyond, like cleaning inside of appliances because we're already there. We've never gotten to the point where we're like, hey, we'll wash your car while we're in the driveway. Like you don't want to. You can only be so good at when there's jack of all trades, master of none. We're trying to be the master of one. Yeah. Cleaning your house.
And also a huge benefit to this, guys, is as you grow and you scale, you have to have systems. And if you have too many systems, it's really easy to fail because you have too many variables, too many things that could go wrong. So if you're trying to do 10 different service offerings for people, well, there's a good chance that there's a lot more that can go wrong, that an employee is going to forget a certain process because they're doing this thing over here and then they have to switch back to this mindset and this process. There's just a lot more room for failure. You can't scale a business doing 10 different products. You need to focus on one and scale that one product service out and be the best at it. And that's also, this is going to tie into our next one, but when you're focused and you're laser focused, you can cut through diamonds. You can create amazing impact that your competition can't because they're spread thin. They're not clear on what they're doing. And so that's going to give you a competitive advantage.